You, sir, come with me. Right, that should be us now, I think.
Yeah, that's right.
You see, this just helps me with my OCD. This side of it. And it goes a little bit like this. Lady boy, 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 lady boy. Oh no, looks like we've got a lady boy. And it's James. James. I'm so sorry. I really don't know how that happened. Oh, what dreadful mistake. Never mind, we're going to go with it, okay? Oh, Barbosa, it's him, isn't it?
Yeah, this guy, yeah.
Take your sunglasses off for me. Yeah, it was you. You've been giving me a mountain of trouble all day, sir. No, you really have. You see, I've been getting complaints about you, about your face, from the little people. They've been saying it's been scaring them.
Me too.
Now, I can't understand it myself, because I think you've got a lovely face. However, it's my job to deal with complaints. So we're going to help you. We're going to cover it up. We are going to give you the monkey mask. It's a bit worn. But you know, it goes, it works, yeah. So, there you go.
На каждом корабле должна быть обезьянка. А дальше, ребята, это самый мерзкий, самый ужасный алкоголь, который у нас есть на корабле. Даже не пробуйте, даже не нюхайте, потому что вас вырвет. Ведь мы им травим крысы тараканов, моем палубу, и у девушек от него вырастают волосы на груди.
Right, now our monkey here, hold on a part.
We don't want to do it.
Come here, monkey.
If he wants to be a real pirate.
Right, our monkey's got a bit of a drinking problem. He likes to snort his rum through a straw. Silly monkey, isn't he? Yeah.
Наш капитан обезьян будет пить через нос. Этому его научили в цирке Дюсалей.
Now is Flora ready?
Aye.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Flora is coming out. Come on, Flora.
Флору!
Darling, you look beautiful. I tell you what, you wear that well, you really do. Flora. Did you get it all off?
Yeah.
Clean off, yeah? Fantastic. Right, there you go, Flora, take your shot. You do look beautiful, Elsie. Not yet. You don't like prematurity enough, man, do it? Yeah. Right, okay. We have been doing this with the frogs all day long.
Drinking rum. Yes, we were. I wish I was.
Yes, we were actually. No, we can't tell the parents that.
Why? They sleep well.
Well, they do sleep well, yeah. Who cares? No, we've been saying R. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 3, 2, 1. You're going to say R. You're going to do your shot, and then you're going to say R again. Now I can promise you the first R will be an awful lot louder. Second R.
Ну что ж, так мы делали с детьми целый день. Нет, мы не пили, просто поверьте мне.
Okay, so are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Shot. That was very masculine aspect. Yeah, did anyone notice Flora swallows? And I think the
monkey's still taking it.
Yeah, he takes it well, but he's spit.
Флора глотает.
Right, okay, now you have all warmed up your vocal cords. It is now time for the pirate song. Now we are going to sing it first, okay? So you lot need to pay attention, because you are going to be singing it after us. Okay? So pay attention.
Ну что ж, как говорят, без бокала нет вокала. Мы сейчас с вами будем петь пиратскую песню. Но, поскольку вы не знаете слов, сначала ее споем мы, потом вы сразу же после нас, поэтому слушайте внимательно, запоминайте слова.
Okay, so Sparrow, Barbosa, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. The pirate's life is a life for me, with a bottle of rum and a deep blue sea. And I never, ever, ever do a thing about the weather, cause the weather never, ever does a thing for me. Yes, X Factor! We're gonna win it next You're honest.
Eventually.
Eventually. Right.
The pirate's life is...
He really is your brother. That was not bad. Yeah, I quite like that. The rest of you, rubbish. Absolutely terrible. So I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to punish you. Punishments?
Let's kill them.
Kill them? I would love to. But we might get our few
Let's
45.
lock them in a room and make them to one direction and repeat.
They've split up now. And Flora
You
quite
like
like
that? Never mind. Listen.
Pirate's life is a life phony.
Oh, very nice. My Viking friend, come here. With a bottle of rum and a deep blue sea.
With a bottle of rum and a deep blue sea.
Thank you. Right, Poppet, come here. Now, you get the last line, a nice easy line, because you're easy. And it goes a bit, it does look a bit like Brittany, eh? And it goes a little bit like this. And I never ever do it by the weather, because the weather never ever swings from me. You got that? No. Right, I'll tell you what, I'll let you repeat it after me, okay? But when you sing it, I need you to sing it in a nice high girly voice, okay? Can you manage that? He's about the up now, so it shouldn't be a problem. Right, here goes. I never ever do a thing about the weather. Cause the weather never ever does the thing for me! Well done, Paul. That's why you're Flora, you give me a mouth. You're welcome. Right, okay, now it's time for photos. So I need all of you lot to squeeze them in. Yeah, that. Flora, if you could go on your knees in the front pocket where you belong. But face the front, he's a married man. Yeah. Front.
Отлично, ребята. Мы сейчас с вами сделаем одну замечательную общую групповую фотографию для контактов. Не забудьте нам ее выложить в интернет. Мы из ВКонтакте, мы называемся «Черная жемчужина АЯДП».
Right, so I need all the pirates and the whatever else to point over that way and say, ah! Point over that way and say, ah! Now point at Flora. Captain Barbossa and Sparrow's new girlfriend. And say, ooh! She's disgusting! Actually, Puppet, you know what? You're not bad. I've seen them both go home with far worse. Hairy legs as well. Right, okay, most of you are now dismissed. Easy, Flora. However, there is a catch.
Flora!
No, she's all yours.
Yeah.
You must keep these outfits on until the very end of the cruise. Now, it's not far. The harbour's, well, it's over there somewhere. If I find you taking them off, I will punish you. We have got worse than this, believe it or not. You will look like the monkey and the parrot and the baby together. Yep, that's how bad it is. So, you can go back to your seats, have a seat. We're going to bring you some weapons round, okay? Very shortly we will declare war on land. But I need you two to stay and you to stay. The rest of you, shoot.
Отлично, теперь все можно разойтись, но есть небольшое «но».